Hi, I'm Lisa G. I'm fit at 50, and I'm here to tell you that you can be fit at any age. Kettlebells are one of my favorite exercises. You work your whole body, engaging from your core by switching arms. Just make sure your hips, glutes, and thighs are doing the bulk of the work. Inhaling and exhaling, you actually use momentum to throw the kettlebell up, and then use your core so you'll be fit, fine, firm, beach ready. If you don't have a kettlebell handy, just grab a dumbbell by the top. That'll work just fine. And that was your kettlebell swing.